Hello, I'm Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations. I thought I'd pop along and tell you the supplies you're going to need for this week, week 2, Scrap Along with Dawn. Many of you know what Scrap Along's all about. I actually do a scrapbook layout with you in real time, live, over on my Dawn's Inspirations Facebook page. Don't worry if you haven't joined in before, because past weeks are available on my Dawn's Inspirations website and YouTube channel. Scrap Along Live happens over on my Dawn's Inspirations Facebook page at half past 10 British summer time. Okay. If the time doesn't suit you wherever you are in the world, do not worry, because after we've done the Scrap Along Live, I pop the videos over on my Facebook page and YouTube channel so you can craft along at a time that suits you. Now this week, after doing a double page layout last week, you wanted to do another double page layout. So that's what we're going to do. So for this week's class, you're going to need 3 photographs, but these need to measure 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. Okay, so if you could trim down your photographs prior to the live class, that would be fantastic. So 3 photographs, 4 inches by 5 1/4. Okay, the measurement is quite crucial with this layout, because this layout is going to be about measuring, but I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. So we will all do it together and make a fantastic double page spread. So 3 photographs, you're going to need those. You're going to need 2 cardstock, 12 by 12, for your base. And we're not going to be doing any gutting this week. So 2 cardstocks for your base. So have a look through your crafty stash. You're also going to need an additional cardstock to mat and layer your photographs and to die cut your title if you wish. But again, don't worry about your title. You can die cut your letters out. I'm going to use quite large letters this week, and I'm going to die cut. So you can die cut out, you can stamp, you can use stickers. So have a rootle around in your crafty stash for a title that's going to go with your photographs. You might have one of those MDF titles that fits perfectly with the photographs you want to use. You might have a die cut word that fits perfectly. So have a look around your crafty stash to see what you've got. So 2 matching 12 by 12s for your base, and then 1 contrasting for your mat and layer. And I've chosen quite a bright red because you're then going to need either 2 sheets roughly of 12 by 12 double-sided pattern paper, and if you don't have double-sided pattern paper, go with 4 pieces of 12-inch long by 6-inch down of pattern paper. Okay, so I'll just repeat that. So single-sided, if you're going single-sided papers, you're going to need 4 pieces that are 12 inches long by 6 inches deep. And if you're going double-sided, 2 sheets of double-sided 12 by 12. Okay, we may not use it all, but that's what I'd like you to have. So you're going to need that. You're going to need a journal pen. And what I mean by journal pen is a very fine liner. Okay, fine liner pen. I've got black, but if you wanted to choose another colour to coordinate with your papers or your photographs, go ahead, not a problem at all. You're going to need an ink pad to ink the edges of your pattern paper. So again, depending on what papers you've picked, you pick out an ink pad that you can just ink your edges. So you're going to need your ink pad and your blending tool just to ink the edges on there. I've mentioned the large letter, or like dies, stamps, sticker sheets, whatever you want to use. And the final thing you're going to need is some embellishments. So have a little rootle through your crafty stash. You don't really need many embellishments on this layout. I've just picked, I found these. Again, something I've had in my crafty stash for quite a while. They go quite nicely with my dad eating his ice cream with my daughter at the seaside. So we've got Grandad's small selfies. So I thought some little shells go quite nicely. And actually, because I'm going to do this as a mail layout, I'm not going to put too many embellishments actually on it. So I'm going to keep it quite simple. So they're the supplies you're going to need for this Wednesday at 10:30 British Summer Time here on the Facebook page live. So I'm Dawn McPhee. If you've got any questions at all or any queries, just pop them in the comment box below and I will answer them as soon as I possibly can. So I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday morning, bright and early, smiling, happy, lots of chit chat going on, and you take care of yourselves. Now pop off and have a rootle around your craft rooms and see what you can find, because I bet you've got loads of craft stash there. See you Wednesday. Bye for now.